Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So today we'll be solving the remaining questions that were left. We were discussing English literature ka paper analysis we were doing shift 2. We discussed about 100 questions. Today we will be starting from the same set of questions. वहीं पर ही जहाँ पे हमने end किया था. This is the paper जो जून में हुआ, the re-exam that happened for English literature shift 2. Let us quickly start discussing the other questions. We discussed till 100, I think 100th question discuss किया था. Let us start by discussing 101. Okay, so Women in Love is a sequel of which of the following novels by D.H. Lawrence? D.H. Lawrence के किस novel का जो ये novel है Women in Love is a sequel to which work? Is it Lady Chatterley's Lover, The White Peacock, Sons and Lovers, and The Rainbow? So we all know the right answer. That is fourth. The Rainbow is the right answer. Then 102. Who among the following is not associated with lesbian and gay studies? इनमें से कौन associated नहीं है lesbian and gay studies के साथ? So the right answer should be 2. That is John Wayne and Elizabeth Jennings are not associated with lesbian and gay studies, right? I hope you guys have marked the correct answer. Correct answer आप सबने mark किया था. Can we go forward? Okay, so 2 is the right answer. Let's go forward. 103. Okay, a manuscript having an overlap with earlier papers by the same authors or by some of the present authors is termed as self-plagiarism. 2 would be the right answer. Then sequence the following works of Dostoevsky in the order of their publication. So we have Notes from Underground, then we have Crime and Punishment, The Idiot, Brother Kamarov, and then we have Poor Folk. So what should be the correct order according to publication? We have the Notes from Underground. This work came in 1864. Then Crime and Punishment was written when? In 1866. 1866. The Idiot in 1869. And Brother Kamarov is written when? In 1880. 1880. Then Poor Folk in 1846. So right answer क्या होगा? What should be the right answer? Quickly. 2 is the right answer. E, A, B, C and D. Let's go forward. Okay, Sherlock Holmes, the greatest of all fictional detectives, made his first appearance in which of the following novels by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle? Is it Strand Magazine, A Study in Scarlet, Adventures of Sherlock Holmes, The Case Book of Sherlock Holmes? A lot of students must have marked 3 while it is 2 that is the right answer. 2 बिल्कुल सही है. That is A Study in Scarlet के अंदर सबसे पहले अपीयरेंस दी थी Sherlock Holmes ने. Okay, so which one of the following is not a screen adaptation of Shakespeare's very important play that was written, The Comedy of Errors? The Boys from Syracuse, Angur, दो दूनी चार, Love in a Wood. So ये वाइचर्ली का वर्क है. ठीक है, ये वर्क यहाँ पे बिल्कुल एसोसिएटेड नहीं है शेक्सपियर के साथ, while the rest 3 are screenplays. So not the screenplay. This means 4th is the right answer. 4th is the right answer. Right? 4th बिल्कुल सही है. ये विलियम वाइचर्ली का वर्क है, Love in a Wood, but it is not an adaptation of William Shakespeare's work. Next work. You have to arrange the following novels by Salman Rushdie according to the year of their publication. Very important again. Fury कब आया था? Midnight's Children, The Ground Beneath Her Feet, The Moor's Last Sigh and Grimace. ठीक है, so 2001 was the date when Fury came. Then 1980, 1999, The Ground Beneath Her Feet. 1995 as well as Grimace 1975. Okay, so the right answer should be 2 should be the right answer. सबसे पहले we should have Grimmers, then we have Midnight's Children, then Moo's Last Sigh, then we have The Ground Beneath Her Feet, and last में we have Fury. Okay, I hope this is clear. You have correctly marked this one. It was one of the easiest question that was there. You should know the works of Salman Rushdie. Okay, so Whittington's statement, limits of language defines limits of thoughts, means what? The structure of language defines its meaning. Intended meaning defines structure of language. That which can be defined meaningfully can be thought. Structure and meaning are independent to each other. Thought precedes language. What should be the correct answer? What should be the correct answer? So it is A and C जो बिल्कुल true है. The structure of language defines its meaning as well as that which cannot be defined meaningfully can be thought. This is the crux of the statement that we just read. The term postmodernism was used in 1917 by German philosopher Rudolf Panquist. Describes what? Nihilism of 20th century Western culture, communism as a system of governance, negligence of oligarchies, as well as the last is epistemic violence. The right answer is 1. Nihilism of 20th century Western culture. The next question. Plato viewed poetry as an imitation of reality, self-subsistent reality, distant from reality, manifestation of reality, life as experience in reality. What should be the right answer? Very easy again. One should be correct. An imitation of reality, mimesis के बारे में बात की है, and he said that it is thrice removed, so it is distant from reality. 1 and 2. Sorry, it is 1 that is the right answer. A and C correct है. Okay, list 1 and list 2 match करना है. Delinquent Chacha, Tales from Firoz Shah Bagh, Beethoven, Among the Crows, A Thousand Faces of Night, Rohinton Mistry, we have Ved Prakash Mehta, Geeta Hariharan, and Rukin Advani. So what should be the right answer? Right answer क्या होगा इसका? What is the right answer? It is 2 that is correct. 2 बिल्कुल correct है. Options नहीं दिख रहे थे, sorry. 2 is correct. So we have, so I think Tales of Firoz Shah Bagh, Rohinton Mistry का वर्क है, ये सबको पता होगा. अगर B1 के साथ पता है तो you already know the right answer. 2 बिल्कुल सही है. We have The Delinquent Chacha. This work is by V.P. Mehta और वेद प्रकाश मेहता. Beethoven Among the Crows is a work by Advani, and A Thousand Faces of Night is by Geeta Hariharan. We have a YouTube video about Geeta Hariharan also. I hope आपने वो पेपर से पहले देखी थी. Let us go forward and then discuss the next question. Who among the following were not associated with Kit Kat Club? Not associated. George Etheridge, Steele, Samuel Johnson, we have William Congreve and we have Joseph Edison. So इनमें से कौन है जो KitKat Club के साथ associated नहीं है? Not associated. So A and C, Etheridge as well as Johnson are not associated. बाकी सब are the part of KitKat Club. Right answer is 3. 3 is the right answer. Okay, who made the following statement in defense of Shanta Rasa? The 8 rasas are like 8 gods and the Shant is like the highest center Shiv. Bharv, or it is Anandavardhana, Dandin or Abhinav Gupta. The right answer is 4th. Abhinav Gupta ने ये बात बोली है. 4th is the right answer. 114. So you have to again match the works with the author. On a muggy night in Mumbai, The Golden Gate, Boyfriend, Love and Longing in Bombay. We have R. Raja Rao, Mahesh Dhatani, Vikram Chandra and Vikram Seth. What should be the right answer? These are the options. ठीक है, क्या होगा right answer? Okay, so it is 2, that is the right answer. So on the Muggy Night in Mumbai is a very important work by Mahesh Dhatani. The Golden Gate, we should know that ये किसका work है? Vikram Seth का work है. The Boyfriend is a work by R. Raj Rao. Then Love Longing in Bombay is by Vikram Chandra. Next question. Oh, sorry. Okay. The next question says, who wrote this work or this book, The History of European Languages? Alexander Murray, A.S. Diamond, William Jones, or Bloomfield? So it is A, that is the right answer. Alexander Murray wrote this work. Okay, chronologically arrange the fictional writings that are written by R.K. Narayan in order of its publication. The Vendor of Sweets, The Bachelor of Arts, The English Teacher, The Guide, and The Financial Expert. So, Swami and Friends, The Bachelor of Arts, as well as one more work, The English Teacher. These three are the parts of trilogy also. तो ये तो definitely पता ही होना चाहिए. Swami and Friends कब आता है? 1935 में लिखा था उन्होंने. What is the date for The Vendor of Sweets? The Vendor of Sweets, 1967. The Bachelor of Arts, 1937. The English Teacher, 1945. 1958 and 1952. Financial Expert. 1952. So the right answer would be third. Third would be the right answer. I hope this is clear. If you want, you may note this thing down. Chalo, let's go forward. Again, match the following list 1 and list 2. The critique of judgment, phenomenology of spirit, group psychology and analysis of the ego, the role of the university in the New Age. We have Martin Heidegger, Sigmund Freud, Immanuel Kant, and Hegel. The right answer would be fourth. Fourth would be the right answer. The Critique of Judgment is a work by Kant. The Phenomenology of the Spirit is by Hegel. Then we have C with 2, the Group of Psychology. This work is by Freud, and the Role of University is by Heidegger. So fourth is the right answer. Okay. List 1 and list 2. Night of the Scorpion, The Unfinished Poem, The Looking Glass, To a Friend Far Away, Kamla Das, A.K. Ramanujan, Eunice D'Souza, and Nassim Ezekiel. So, Night of the Scorpion is written by Ezekiel. अगर A को 4 के साथ मैच किया, we have the right answer. That is third. B with 3. Unfinished Poem is by D'Souza. The Looking Glass is by Kamla Das, and To a Friend Far Away is by A.K. Ramanujan. Okay, which of the following is considered to be the first Indian novel in English? Is it Bankim Chandra Chatterjee's Raj Mohan's Wife, Toru Dutt's The Young Zamindar, K.K. Sinha's Sam Jyotina, or A.K. Sinha's The Star of Sikri? The right answer, we all should know, it is Raj Mohan's Wife. Okay, another question. Arrange the following plays in order to the year of their publication. Death of a Salesman by Arthur Miller, The Glass Menagerie by Tennessee Williams, Who is Afraid of Virginia Woolf by Edward Albee, The Iceman Comet by Eugene O'Neill. Then we have 12 Angry Men by Reginald Rose. What should be the correct order? So we have Death of a Salesman. The Death of a Salesman 1949. 1949. Glass Menagerie 1944. 1944. 1962 का वर्क है Who's Afraid of Virginia Woolf. Then The Iceman Comet 1939. And then we have 12 Angry Men in 1954. 1954. So D is the right answer. We have D, B, A, E and C. D, B, A, E and C. ये सही ऑर्डर है, ठीक है, राइट. ओके, लेट्स गो फॉरवर्ड. डी मतलब फोर्थ इज राइट. Again, one question for match the following list 1 and list 2. We have concept theory, and then who developed it. So we have polysystem theory, relevance theory, Scopus theory, and then we have convert translation. Ernest August Gatt, Hans J. Vermeer, we have Itamar N. Zohar, and Julian House. What should be the right answer? What should be the right answer? So it is 2, that is right. A very difficult question. तो लेकिन अब हम यहाँ से सीख लेते हैं. So it is polysystem theory. Polysystem theory. What is a polysystem theory? Here you analyze language and literature during the complexity, on the basis of complexity that is there. Complexity कितनी ज्यादा है. Relevance theory है people के interest के basis पे उसे पढ़ना. It is the relevance theory, right? And about the translation, the type of translation is the Scopus theory, as well as the convert translation. What is a convert translation? Translation that is not directly done. Translation that is not directly done. And this theory, Scopus theory, says that translation is an act for purpose. आप किसी purpose के साथ translation करते हो. It depends on the intended meaning. It depends on the intended meaning. So polysystem theory says you analyze language and translation and you see it on the basis of culture. Culture के basis पे आप उसको देखते हो, ठीक है, right? Then relevance theory says people have genuine interest. People have interest जिसके अंदर वो वर्ल्ड में क्या करना चाहते हैं. They want to learn new things. वर्ल्ड की बाकी सब चीजों को समझना. That's the relevance theory. The Scopus theory says that whenever you are translating anything, it's always with the intention as well as with the purpose that you do it. And convert translation says that a type of translation that does not directly address the source culture audience or tie itself to the source language. ये directly tie नहीं करती है source से. And the right answer is 2. A should be matched with 3. That means Itamar ने बात करी है polysystem theory की, relevance theory by Ernest August, the Scopus theory by we have Hans J. Vermeer, and convert translation by Julian House. ठीक है, 2 is the right answer. Let's go forward. Then we have rhyme and the author. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, wee, wilkie, winky, Mary had a little lamb, old Mother Hubbard. We have William Miller, Jane and Ann Taylor, Sarah Catherine Martin, Sarah Joseph Hill. So fourth is the right answer here. We have A with 2. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. किसने लिखा है? It is Jane and Ann Taylor. Then we have B. Wee, Welly, Wilkie. with William Miller. Then Mary Had a Little Lamb, Sarah Joseph, and Old Mother Hubbard by Sarah Catherine Martin. Okay, so you have to chronologically arrange the fictional writings of Margaret Atwood. Margaret Atwood के works को set करना है. Edible Women, The Handmaid's Tale, The Blind Assassin, Lady Oracle, and Robber's Bride. Chronologically, you have to arrange the works of Margaret Atwood. So you can write it down. कौन से years हैं? You have Edible Women in 1969, Handmaid's Tale 1986, then 2000, Lady Oracle 1976, The Robber's Bride 1993. Right? The right answer would be what? It would be fourth. Fourth is the right answer. A, D, B, E and C. Okay, The Birth of Tragedy from the Spirit of Music by Friedrich Nietzsche examines the origins and the development of poetry, especially Greek tragedy, argues that Socratic rationalism and optimism led to the death of Greek tragedy, examines the origin of music, dance and ancient Greece, argues that Greek tragedy arose out of fusion of Apollonian and Dionysian elements, argues that the music is the spirit of tragedy. What are the correct statements related to this work by Nietzsche? So A is the right answer, A, B and D. It examines the origins and the development of poetry, especially the Greek tragedy. Then it argues about the Socratic rationalism and also it argues about the Greek tragedy that arose from the fusion of Apollonian and Dionysian elements. Which one of the following statements about Booker Prize is not correct? It's a prestigious British award given annually to a full-length novel. Eligible writers shall belong to United Kingdoms and Commonwealth countries. It was established in 1968 by Booker Macdonald, a multinational company. It was established to provide the counterpart to Prix Goncourt in France. So ये मैककॉनिल था, मैकडोनल नहीं थे राइटर का नाम सबसे पहले तो इसीलिए ये गलत है स्टेटमेंट. इट इज थर्ड दैट इज द राइट आंसर. और ये 1969 में स्टार्ट हुआ था बाय द वे. ओके, मैकडोनल नहीं था और उनका नाम मैककॉनिल है. Okay, Absalom is a novel by Faulkner, a satirical poem by Dryden, a drama by Shaw, or a poem by P.B. Shelley. So the right answer is that it is a novel by William Faulkner. ये William Faulkner की novel है. Absalom. Then the next question. Arrange the following partition films on the basis of the publication. Arrange the following partition based films in order of their release as well as production. Garam Hawa, Tamas, Khamosh Pani. Then we have Chinamul and Subarnarekha. What should be the correct sequence? The correct sequence of the following. So in 1974 we have Garam Hawa, Tamas 1788. Sorry, 1980. It should be 1988. Sorry. 1988. Then Khamosh Pani 2003. 2000. Is it? I think 2003 ही है. We can check it. Then we have Chinamul in 1950 and then we have Subarnarekha in 1965. So it is 2003 only, not 2008. ठीक है. So what should be the right answer? It is A, that is right. 1 बिल्कुल true है. The years are written in front of you. Okay, the Latin epic Aeneid by Virgil incorporates various legends of Aeneas and makes him the founder of the Roman greatness. Relates the story of the legendary founding of Rome. It relates to the story of legendary founding of Levitinum. Recounts the story of Eune's journey in the first 6 books of the epic, and these 6 books are patterned after Homer's Odyssey. Recounts the story of Aeneas journey in the last 6 books of the epic, and these 6 books are patterned after Homer's Odyssey. What should be the right answer? So A, C and D are true. A, C and D are true. Okay. Then you have othering, ecological imperialism, colonial desire, third space. The term employed by Robert Young, coined by Gayatri Spivak, Alfred W. Kotzebue, and third space. The option here is Homi ke Baba, but you have to match the following. So the term that are coined or employed by, and they are post-colonial terms. What should be the correct answer? What should be the correct answer? So it is a fourth that is correct. We have othering. This is a term by Gayatri Spivak. We have ecological imperialism by Alfred W. Kotzebue. Colonial desire by Robert Young, and third space we have Homi ke Baba. So 3 is right. Okay, the term abstract poetry was coined by Edith Sitwell. It refers to the poem in which the words are chosen for their oral quality. It refers to the poem in which the words are chosen for their imagery and symbolism. It was coined by Auden, W.H. Auden, and it refers to the poem in which words are not specially used for the sense and the meaning. So the right answer would be, the right answer here would be what? It would be 2, that is right. We have it, the first statement is right. It was coined by Edith Sitwell. Then it refers to the poem in which the words are chosen according to the oral quality, and then it refers to the poem जो कि specifically sense के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहा है. Next question. Okay, again a easy one. Silent tendencies of Hellenistic philosophy are, so the salient tendencies of Hellenistic philosophy are cynicism, then Epicureanism, Stoicism, Surrealism, and then we have Expressionism. The salient features, the qualities. So we have A, B and C that are correct. That means 2 is the right answer. A, B and C. Okay, let's go forward. Okay, we have The Outcast. The Outcast, that is a autobiography. It is written by which Dalit writer? अनाभाव शाथे, शरण कुमार लिम्बाले, आनंद तेलमुर्थ और बेबी काम्बले. So the right answer is शरण कुमार लिम्बाले. 2 सही है. Second is the right answer. Arrange the following novels by Chinua Achebe according to the year of their publication. Publication के according. A Man of the People, Things Fall Apart, Arrow of God, Anthems of Savannah. Then we have No Longer at Ease. What should be the correct order here? What should be the correct order? So the A Man of the People, 1966. 1966. Things Fall Apart, 1958. Arrow of God, 1964. The Anthems of Savannah, 1987. And then we have No Longer at Ease, 1960. 1960. ठीक है, so this means 3 becomes the right answer. 3 is the right answer. We have things fall apart, no longer at ease, then we have arrow of God, then a man of people, and then we have no longer at ease. Hypothesis made during or after the research work is over is known as inductive hypothesis, deductive, null, or internal. So it is called as deductive hypothesis. Second is correct. Who among the following American writers was the first Black American to become the US Poet Laureate and consultant in poetry at the Library of Congress? Is it Kyra Davis, Mary Anna Ama Dowk, or is it Rita Francis Daw, or Lucy Clifton? So the right answer is Rita Daw. 3 is the right answer. Things as They Are, or The Adventure of Caleb Williams, was written as a call to end the abuse of the writers of the industrialists, the abuse of the masses of the church, the abuse of the power of the tyrannical government, or the abuse of the tenants of the landlords. What should be the right answer? So the right answer is 3. 3 is the right answer, जो कि tyrannical government के abuse से बचने के लिए था. You have to chronologically arrange the Anglo-Indian writers according to their birth: Sarojini Naidu, Michael Madhusudan Dutt, Manmohan Ghosh, Henry Durozio, and Toru Dutt. So we have Sarojini Naidu, that was born when? Sarojini Naidu 1879. Then we have Michael Madhusudan Dutt 1824, 1844, 1809 and 1856. So we have Henry Durozio, जो सबसे पहले he was born. So second becomes the right answer. Second right हो जाएगा. I hope this is correct and this is clear. ये सबको समझ भी आ गया है. आगे चल सकते हैं. Okay, which among the following is said to be the first fictional magazine that was created by Hugo Gernsback? Time and the Causeway, Henceforth, New Worlds, or Amazing Stories? So it is a science fiction work that is Amazing Stories. Amazing Stories क्या है? Amazing Stories is a science fictional magazine that was firstly created. It's the first fictional magazine by Hugo. Okay, Friendship's Garland, a work that came out in 1871, is a sequel of which of the following works by Matthew Arnold? Culture and Anarchy, Essay in Criticism on the Study of Celtic Literature, and Literature and Dogma. So the right answer is Culture and Anarchy. Culture and Anarchy का sequel है. We have Friendship's Garland. So we have 1869 का वर्क है Culture and Anarchy, and then we have 1871 work, Friends Garland. Okay, then again match the following: A Room Called Earth, Tomorrow and Tomorrow and Tomorrow, A Time to Dance, and Almond, a novel. You have to match it. The right answer here is 3. 3 बिल्कुल सही है. A को मैच करना है 3 के साथ. मैंडलिन के साथ वर्क है A Room Called Earth. Tomorrow and Tomorrow and Tomorrow is by Gabriel. Then A Time to Dance is by Padma. And then we have Almond by von Son. Right, 3 is the right answer. Okay, then we have comprehension. I'll tell you the right answers for the comprehension. You may write it down. So this is the first question. Let me just see the right answer. I'll just tell you the right answers. You can directly mark it. So the poem, then we have the first, that is one 141 इसका सही आंसर क्या है? इट इज सेकंड, दैट शुड बी द राइट आंसर. लव एंड लॉन्गिंग, लव एंड लॉन्गिंग. Then we have identify the mood of the poem. What is the mood of the poem? 142 sombre, sombre है इसका mood. ठीक है, sombre is the right answer here. Then 143 the phrase oceanic eyes and absent eyes क्या denote करते हैं? It denotes, A is the right answer, पैरलिज्म के बारे में बात हो रही है, कंपेयर किया है उसको. 1 is the right answer, this means. Then there is the next question. According to the next question, what does the phrase red signals sent out signify? So it signifies distress and desperation of the speaker. Distress and desperation. Okay. So with this, we have the last question related to the poetry. Identify the type of imagery that was used in the poem. कैसी imagery poem में use हुई है? What is the imagery that is used? It is the natural imagery. 1 is the right answer. 1 is correct. Then you have this comprehension that was also very easy. You can read it. 146 का right answer क्या है? I hope you guys have marked it correct. It is third, that is the right answer. Detached and reflective. Then 147th, what is the primary theme of the passage? What is the theme of the passage? It is perspecting suspicion. That means third is the right answer. Then comprehension ka last question. Second. So we have 2 left. What does the word guarded here signify? It is to keep under control. Third is the right answer. Then what helps in eliminating suspicion? Suspicion कैसे eliminate कर सकते हैं? So we have second, discussion and knowledge. And the last question, which among the following is true in the context of given paragraph? And the right answer is second. Suspicion is a stepping stone to faith, right? This was it, and we are done with shift 2 of English literature. I hope you guys understood everything that we have discussed. The paper was, shift 2 was difficult this time. A lot of chronology type questions were asked. A lot of questions related to dates were asked. So it is important to know the dates, know the birth dates, know the death dates, chronologically, publication bhi yaad rakho. And it is important to know the important works. The lesser known works of the important writers are more important now. Right? You should know all the important dates that are there. बहुत ज़्यादा factual हो गया है paper. It was not that easy. The paper, yes, was difficult. Shift 1 से ज़्यादा difficult था shift 2. Right? So I hope that that you guys have attempted all the answers, all the questions correctly. You guys understood what would be the right answer. We have discussed the things here in the class as well. And I hope you guys have started to study. If you feel that कुछ भी आपका ज़्यादा अच्छे से नहीं हुआ है paper, so you are studying, you have started to study again, because December may we guys again have the exam. So it is important for you guys to study hard and be more factual and up to the mark, right? Do a lot of revisions that is needed. Make your own notes, make your own crisp notes for all the relevant dates that we have discussed and the works that we have discussed, right? So with this, I will wind up the class today. Thank you so much. I hope you guys understood all the things. I hope I see you in our batch as well and you study with me. Thank you and have a wonderful day.